Welcome to the AW Services channel. Today's video is about security. Your vehicle keys nowadays. There are lots of criminal groups going around. They're gaining entry to people's vehicles, whether you've got keyless entry or you've got keys where you've got a RF transmitter in there for your open and close, your locks on your van. Also your wallet, cards in there. If you've got modern day bank cards where you've got like RFID, people can contactless skim your wallet, walk past you and gain access to funds by your back pocket. And things like keys as well. If you don't protect your keys, people can read and RF recode a laptop there and then and gain access to your vehicle. So it's key nowadays to actually look after your keys and how you store them at home. I would recommend to not store them anywhere near your front door, way out of reach from your letterbox. And nowadays it's good to get a RFID RF blocking wallet, or you can actually get like a little safe box that you put beside your bedside table, you put in your kitchen, you put your keys in there, and that will block out the RF signal. This fabric, which I have, it's hard to believe that this fabric is copper. It's a specially woven fabric that's very soft and almost feels like rubber. This fabric will actually block out RFID. They even claim that you could use it to block out EMP, but let's be honest, if there's a nuclear blast, you're going to kiss your ass goodbye before you even get to see your keys. So it's very good to get boxes, wallets and pouches that you can buy readily available on Amazon, and a lot of them do actually work. So this fabric, I've used a multiple laminate of that. I've had 4 pieces that I've cut, which are approximately 15 inches square. I've then sewn those all together, so there's 4 layers. I've then got some camouflage woodland pattern, like Gore-Tex fabric, and I've literally made myself a bag that I can put my keys in. I can put any sensitive electronics in that people may be able to, like, you know, your phones, your keys, your wallet. But this is really for me to put my spare keys for my vehicle in, and a couple other devices that I have that rely on RF, and I can put them in a box for safekeeping. Not my everyday keys, but my spare set that will go in this. They'll go in a box and I'll keep them out of the way. But they are away from RF interference. They are easily accessed if I need them, but it just improves the security of my vehicle and my keys. But it's a very good fabric. I'll just give you a demonstration. So I am one-handed, so bear with me. So I've got a radio. So I've got a CB radio, walkie-talkie, ham radio. Turn it on.
Welcome.
Bit of radio, put that in the bag. There's no trickery, and I've lost reception with the radio. Take the radio out, and it will block that, and it will block a lot of things. But I'll put a link to a couple items on Amazon. I'll also put a link to this particular fabric if you're into sewing and you can make your own. But it's brilliant to make a pouch, protect your wallet, protect it, put in your backpack, sew this into some pouches and make yourself some protective storage for anything like your vehicle keys. But if you like the video, you find it useful, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow, press the bell icon, share it with your friends.